In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your MKV videos to MP4 completely free of charge. You're going to do that using a software called MKV2MP4. To access that software, all you need is to come to App Store, or you can go to Microsoft Store. In case if you're using Windows, you can come to the search bar over here and just search for MKV2MP4. Okay, so you hit on enter. You're able to see it over here. Okay, this is MKV2MP4. I've installed mine, so you can just go ahead and install yours. So you can just click on open, and then you can add the MKV file to convert, drag and drop to add it. Okay, so I have this MKV file. I can just drag and drop it here. And all you need is just to come over here and click on start conversion. Specify location where you want to save it. By default, it will take you to the folder where you pick the video from. So you can click on save and you can say replace. And this is going to replace the existing folder that I have over there. And with just one click, you can see it has been added. If you want to add more, you can just click on add job and it is going to pop up for you to select wherever you want to add the job, and then you can open and continue the process. You can see right now it has been converted from MKV to MP4. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.